M0FXB thought I'd introduce QSO link to you. So it says here, ham radio without the hardware, one free app at the moment. I built QSO 1 so you can get on ALLSTAR, ECHOLINK, IAX Direct, DMR, Fusion, M17 from a single app without a Raspberry Pi. So you can see I've got my phone there. This is my phone here, and I've not used this before. QSO 1 for Windows. Let's download it. We're just going to run it. Even if I come into any problems, I just want you to see what it's like to download it when you know nothing about it, which I think is the best way to do it. And I learn with you, and that's why I do so many videos. I learn with you, even if I get it wrong. And to the people that say you don't know what you're doing, don't watch my videos. Right. Okay. So get started. Yes, I'm licensed. Oh, interesting that it said that. I wonder if there's any connections that are unlicensed. Sign in. So email. I'm just going to put my email. I could use Google. Should I continue with Google? I think, yeah, let's try it because it might be easier. And there you are, signing in. Okay, open QSO link. Wow. So let's do an obvious one like DMR. I've got DMR ID already. It's got a link there. Brandmeister self-care. I am registered. I'm registered. So obviously you need to register that. Next. Audio device PTT options. Next. You got push to talk buttons and so on. So let me look at what we can connect to a minute. Give it a sec. So this is our window, our main sort of control window. You can select your microphones. Look, I'm going to use this one. And the speaker, my speakers. And Brandmeister for now. Yep, we've got TGIF free DMR. And there's a setup cog here. Add a talk group. So we can search talk group. So we can go 91, which is the one that everyone goes to. Recent activity there. Listen. Did say connect to Brandmeister first, then pick a talk group. So Brandmeister, yeah. Set up. So it's going to need my DMR ID and my password, which I'm going to put in now. And this will be the same for your phone. Get that in. DMR ID, you have to register. And it says connected. So now it should allow us to listen. Let's turn the volume up. Nothing at the moment. But we are connected. Listen to this talk group. And there's your PTT. This is, yeah, he's done a good job of this. Right, now let's do the my phone. So it's an Android phone. Download. Continue with Google. We've already got an account, as you saw. I'm going to have to log in. Right, on your phone, once you're registered, go on the right here and look for downloads, okay? See that? Hit the 3 flat pancakes top right. See it moving around there, and you have to select downloads. And there's a lot more to this app than that. Then you go download for Android. I'm not seeing iPhone at the moment, seeing Windows. Continue, and then it downloads. It's going to be, I would say, the same interface. Download. It's not a good one. Oh no, that's not that's a scary one. Well, it's definitely worth you have to be careful what you're downloading. Even if you feel like they're trustworthy, you do have to be careful. But mine is downloading at the moment. Change all your passwords, that's what I can say. Allow, get started. Yes, I'm licensed. Then sign in as you were before. It goes to here. And we did DMR. Should we try ALLSTAR? Not. I am registered with ALLSTAR. Continue. Next. Next. Loads of tips here and learning. So can we just tap someone? 0HOY. Let's try HubNet. It's a PTT button if you want to select one. None at the moment. I'm just going to tap here. Connect to M0JKT at the moment. Parrot tester, maybe that one. And this is full on, isn't it? So I need some time with this, but you can, you've got the links to download it. It pretty much does everything just using an app. You've got TG91 in the background there. You can see it's working great. More videos as I learn. Bye for